across the sky into a black night. It makes me wonder as I look in your eyes. Am I falling under your spell? Earth moving beneath my feet, sky falling down on me. I wanna believe in miracles, in things I've never seen. Is it wishful thinking that the best is yet to come? Is it foolish to believe that we are over when we just begun? I can't help it, this feeling, trying to figure this out. Is it wishful thinking? Don't lie, if you can feel it then you can't deny. It's all around us if we listen.